everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll quickly show you how to remove background noise from audio using ElevenLabs. First, open the ElevenLabs website and log into your account. Then go to the Audio Tools or Voice Tools section. Next, upload the audio file that contains background noise. Once the file is uploaded, ElevenLabs will automatically process the audio and clean the background noise. ElevenLabs show the option of Clear Denoise. Click on it. After the processing is complete, you can preview the cleaned audio to make sure it sounds clear. If everything sounds good, simply download the improved audio file to your device. And that's it. That's how you can quickly remove background noise using ElevenLabs. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick AI tutorials.